Welcome to the Attachments module, the place to securely store and manage your files inside GStocky. Now let's head to the Attachments section. Let's start by uploading a new attachment. As you can see, it's uploaded successfully and marked as private by default, meaning no one else can access it. Let's upload another file for demonstration. Now let's create a folder to help keep things organized. By default, folder permissions are private, but you can change them to public so your team members with access to the Attachments module can view them. Let's set this folder to private and give access to a specific user only for stricter control. With this module, you can manage all your documents in one secure, organized, and collaborative space.